Okay, guess where I am? I am in Everett, Washington, about 50 miles north of Seattle, to fulfill a bucket list of mine, and that is to visit the Boeing plant, where Boeing's main plant, where they build the 777X and several of their other plane models. Now, full disclosure, I've come to Seattle the last 4 years for Microsoft training, and I've always wanted to visit this plant, but I've never been able to get here because Microsoft training usually lasts all day and I'm exhausted. This particular trip, I said, hey, we have to do it. So I'm going to go in and tour the plant, tour the gift shop, the whole nine, and share it with you guys. Now, I will not be able to record inside the plant. We're going to respect their rules and wishes. They don't allow, for obvious reasons, video recording inside the plant facility, but everywhere else we can. So come and join me. Here we go. I'm excited. The 777X, not released at airports or to airlines yet, but it's about to be next year. And as you can see out here, they already have some built and ready to go. Well, I don't know if they're totally ready to go. They don't have engines on them yet, but I think they're the next to go into the paint shop. I'm just waiting for airlines to buy them. Wow. 777X. This is an actual tail of a 747. She got to get in the picture, of course. Girl, you're not as big as the 4. I said the 4 is bigger than you are. The tail is huge. It's got to be like 3 stories high. It's got to be like 3 stories. Is it that fiberglass? It is. This is the Boeing gift store. Everett, Washington at the Boeing plant. This gift store is amazing. Oh wow. Oh wow. They have cups. Oh man. I'm itching. I'm starting to itch. Oh, excuse me. Wow, would you look at this? All 5 plane models. Honey, I have to leave here with a couple plane models. Hello? Hello? Look at this. Hello, hello. Honey, she's ignoring me, guys. Okay. Mrs. Jones. Okay, but I like to leave with a couple plane models. I'm not making progress. So Mrs. Jones is going to let me leave
with the plane. Oh, this is cool. It's an engine. This is a stapler. Wow. They think of everything. So Mrs. Jones is going to let me leave with a couple of plane models. I think they have about 3 or 4 of them, to be honest with you. I really would love to have this one. Oh wow. Oh really? Oh wow. That's a fueling tanker. Cool. B-1 bomber. F-18. Wow. I love it.
That's your landing gear. So you put it off, that's an option. You don't have to put it on. Then there's 4 engines that should be attached. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And the tail, yeah, all is well. Everything's good and where it's supposed to be. Yeah, base is there underneath that. And then this is the other half. Okay? Alright. Do you want a bag or do you want to just carry this?
Yes, I need a bag. So I'm going to get the 777 XXX. That's not even out yet. And they're building them, but they're not flying yet. So I'm gonna fly it artificially first. Oh, card, I'm sorry. And the 747, of course, is no longer in production.
Do you want me to open the boxes and show you inside?
Oh, that'd be great. Well, yeah, to show me how to do it. Oh, okay. Yeah, oh yeah, great. Got to kind of put it together, huh? Okay, cool. I think I can handle that. Nice little project I can work on. Said I think I can handle that. Oh yeah, cool. Oh yeah. It's got the little engines and everything.
Yeah.
I love it. It's ready for me to do my thing, huh? We're just gonna do my thing and go for it. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was cool. All right. The store's impressive. Didn't get the cups. Didn't get a cup. I was itching to get a cup. I was itching.
No cup.
I was itching, honey. I had that. What they say in the Ray movie? He got that jinkawink. I had that jinkawink. I was going. We're gonna go up to the sky deck. How cool is that? Oh yeah. Over here, honey. Wow. A lot of planes land here. Oh, he's not landing. See, you know what they're doing though? They're doing testing too.
Yeah.
Their airports, you can fly into their airport.
Yeah.
But I think that they're doing testing. Man, look at all the planes I mean, it's like a mini airport. All the planes that they have. These are the new 777X. Not even at airports yet. Wow, these planes are huge. The folded wing on the 777X. They fold the wings not because of flying. They fold the wings so that they'll fit at the gates at the airports, because the wings are so long they won't fit at most airports. Wow. Boeing has its own runway for flight testing. So when a plane comes off of the assembly line, before it's purchased and picked up by an airline, it goes through several flight tests here at the factory, and they have their own runway to do it that they actually lease from the city. This is how massive this factory is. It starts down here, and their own control tower, of course, all the way over here. There's a smaller plane landing. Or is he landing? Yeah, he's landing. Cool. This massive factory. The largest building by mass in the world is the Boeing factory. Now this building is where they actually assemble the planes. Each bay represents a different plane model. 787 Dreamliner, the 787 Dreamliner, the 777X. We were able to see those. And this is actually the paint shop. So this, once it's assembled, they power wash off this green coating on the plane, and then it's towed to this paint shop. There's another plane landing. Oh, kind of land here a lot. They're towed to this paint shop, and then they're painted to whatever specifications the airline has. So some of the finished planes, they call this purchase row. I think that's what he's told us. These are some of the planes that are ready to be picked up. They've been painted, and they are ready for the airlines to start using them. This, of course, is a must-stop if you're ever in the Seattle area, and especially if you're into aviation. At any capacity, you see it all over here. It's like they have their own mini airport. I need to get the schedule on when they're going to do plane testing so I can be here for that. Wow, so impressive. So this gray looking plane right here that you see is not a commercial airline. That's an actual U.S. Air Force plane. It is a refueling tanker. So they built those here too. And here are how the refueling tankers look before they actually paint them. We were told that you know it's a refueling tanker when the tail fin is painted yellow during assembly and it has that gray stripe. Again, I'm in Everett, Washington at the Boeing factory. Behind me is the Boeing factory building, the largest building by mass in the world. 11 football fields could fit in here. The United States Capitol could fit in here. The Empire State Building could fit in here 4 times. This building is massive, and the tour was awesome. Oh my goodness, we got to see how the planes are assembled from beginning to end. As you know, that they didn't allow us to do videotaping or anything of that sort, and they didn't want us to do any recording. But this is definitely a worth stop if you're ever in the Seattle, Washington area. It's about 50 miles or so outside of Seattle. Drive up Highway 5 north of Seattle and take this tour. The tour is about $40 per person, all inclusive, but it is totally worth it. Hey, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification button on my next adventure. This was a bucket list item of mine. The nerdiness that's in me wanted to do this for a long time, and I got to do it today. But if you're ever in this area, I should strongly suggest you do it as well. Hey, we'll see you next time.